Many of our customers ask how often they should maintenance their air conditioning system. And what the manufacturers say is once each main season. So once for the heating season, once for the cooling season. Now the reason for that is that these systems have a lot of little components that can start to go bad and drain the larger, more expensive components if the smaller things are outside of tolerance. So if they get outside of tolerance, you don't know it, the machine will still keep running, but then you're draining the efficiency and the longevity of the system. So every 6 months you should maintain this. And what they also say is if you don't and you go for a long period of time, is after 10 years you will have cut the efficiency by as much as half if you don't maintain the machine. So in other words, maintenance, it costs you a little bit up front, but you save way more in the long term. They'll last longer, they'll maintain the efficiency, and they'll need less of the major repairs. As an example, for one of the smaller things that can drain a larger motor, the compressor is the heart of the whole system, one of the most expensive things to replace. The capacitor is just a small thing in front of it that helps get it going because it only has one gear, not like your car that has different gears. So it takes a lot of energy to get it going, and if that capacitor gets outside of its tolerance, the compressor will start to pull higher and higher amp draws and then eventually just fail on you. One of the other items that's really important to maintaining a long-lasting system that doesn't have a lot of repairs is keeping the back pressure low in the system and keeping dirt out of it. When dirt gets on the blower wheel and then clogs up the coil, you create back pressure and you create wear and tear where the motor can start to have play in it, and you wear that blower motor out faster, and then the back pressure on the coil will wear a system out really fast. Another example is the refrigerant over time and the compressor wearing in the system. If you don't keep the compressor lubricated and nice and cold, that can also be a detriment and cause shorter system life. So one of the things that we see really helps a system out is after about 5 years, adding more lubricant into the system. It quiets the machine down, lowers the amp draw, and makes it live a lot longer. If you haven't had your system maintained this year, feel free to give us a call. It's 520-888-8787. That's 888-8787, or you can go to our website at iDesignAC.com.